today's video is about reasoning section, wherein I will continue part 4 of the circular seating arrangement. Okay, so previously I have covered 3 different models. Today's model I will take 3 variables, that is persons, direction, and persons liking something, be it colors, fruits, or whatever it is. And mostly we will get to see this model, okay, in preliminary level, especially SBI PU, IBPS PU, అంటే స్కేల్ 1 లెవెల్లో ఇన్ ప్రిలిమినరీ, ఓకే, నాట్ మెయిన్స్, preliminary level you will get to see this type of models when they intend to give one circular puzzles in the exam out of 3 to 4 puzzles. Okay, now let's start the video. Hope it will be useful for you. Okay, now same I've taken 8 people only because I'm not trying with 6 persons. 8 persons, if you practice 8 persons, you can solve 6. When you qualify for prelims, when you get confidence on clearing prelims, then you can practice 10 persons. Okay, in a high, mains level. For now, considering the higher cutoffs, first try to get confident on clearing prelims exam with all the scoring topics. Okay, now let's start the video. 8 peoples ABCDFGH are sitting in a circle facing center. So here single direction. Okay, all 8 persons are, see here I'm drawing the diagram at the center because I have to write the what they are liking also. Okay, so that's why for my convenient I'm drawing here. Okay, if I want to make any extra diagram, I will draw below. Okay, now see 8 persons are sitting in a circle and all are facing center. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here single direction. Okay, now all people like different colors, that is red, white, black, blue, pink, green, orange, and yellow, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, these 8 persons all are facing center, that is inside, and all 8 people like these colors. Okay, now same like previous models, take each clue. Okay, E is sitting third to the left of G. Since we know same direction, we will assume. Okay, E is sitting third to the left of G. If this is G, E is sitting third to the left, that is 1 2 3. Okay, E is sitting third to the left of G. Now the person who likes green is immediate right of E. Okay, but we don't know where E is sitting. Okay, so the person who likes green is immediate right of E, and E does not like white. Okay, so now with E, okay, we have, sorry, E undi kada. So the person who likes green is immediate right of E. Ante we don't know person, but that person likes green color. Okay, here I will write the person in bracket. Okay, green color. So the person who likes green sits immediate right of E. Okay, now and E doesn't like white. Okay, if you can remember in your brain, remember that E doesn't like white. Okay, or else somewhere at the corner write that E doesn't like white color. Okay, so when I suggest you to write when you have 3 variables. Okay, because when the statements are, when the question is big, you tend to forget the previous clue. So when you are at initial stage of practice, try to write the clues at the right hand side. Okay, wherever you feel comfortable, don't mix with the diagrams. Okay, next, E doesn't like white. Okay, next, B question confusing. B is sitting fourth to the right of H. B is sitting fourth to the right of H, but we don't know where is B and where is H. Okay, now H is not neighbor of G. H is not neighbor of G. Now not neighbor of G means both. So here H will be possible in these 4 directions, in these 4 places, because H is not neighbor of G means ఈ 2 directions లో H ఉండదు. 4 possibilities are not there, but we will not make another diagram, we will see another clue. Okay, H is not neighbor of G, neither B nor H is immediate neighbor of E. So B also not, and H also not neighbor of E. Now E here, already we have 4 possibilities of H here, but they are saying H is also not neighbor of E. So now only 2 possibilities of H, that is either here, either here. Okay, are you getting or not? E. H is not immediate neighbor of G. Also H is not immediate neighbor of E. So there are two possibilities of H, and B also not neighbor of E, not immediate neighbor of E, means B also these two positions are not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, these four possibilities are there, but before clue they have given B is sitting fourth to the right of H. If I take, see, only two possible positions for H. If I take H here, fourth to the right of H, B kada. So if I write H, if I place H here, fourth to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will get B here. Okay. If I write here H, 1, 2, 3, 4, B will come here. Okay, but E is not immediate neighbor of B. So definitely H should come here, B should come here. Okay, I hope you are getting. H is not immediate neighbor of G and immediate neighbor of E. B is not immediate neighbor of E, and B is sitting fourth to the right of H. Okay, 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 don't get confused. Okay, next, F likes pink and sitting third to the right of the person who likes green. So pink is sitting third to the right of green. Okay, where is green? Here. Third to the right means 1, 2, 3. So here pink is sitting third to the right of person who likes green, and who is liking pink ante F. So here is the F. Okay, you know, sometimes you can write persons in name, I mean whatever they like in bracket. Otherwise, when all are same direction, try to write the letters inside. You know, if you are confident at not getting confused, you know, your own handwriting, then try to write in brackets. Okay, otherwise try to take letters inside and, you know, the matter outside. Okay, because these will be words. Here only single letter, no, that's why. Okay, that is also small suggestion, only your conveniences matter. Okay, next, green అయిపోయింది కదా, pink. Okay, next, the person who likes blue is sitting second to the left of the person who likes pink. So blue is sitting second to the left of pink. Okay, here see, blue is sitting second to the left of pink. Where is pink? Here. So blue is second to the left. 1, 2. Okay, when you take single clues, okay, you know, when I'm taking this much time, you know, when you are good at practice, you will automatically, your brain will support to write the, okay, positions. Okay, take single clue at a time. If you have common persons, I mean common, then try to club. Okay, next, blue is sitting second to the left of pink. Next, the person who likes black is sitting second to the left of E. So black is sitting second to the left of E. This is E. Second to the left means 1, 2. So H likes black color. Okay. Next, A who likes red is sitting exactly between F and H. So A is sitting exactly between F and H. So here exactly between F and H means if I take this here direction, this is the exact positions. And if I take this side, you know, I mean left of G and E, here is the one more possibility, but they said A likes red. Here already green is there, so here A will come. Okay, exactly sits between F and H. Okay, if I take here, no possible, because already here green is there. So A likes red and it sits exactly between H and F. Okay, next, the person who likes yellow, the person who likes yellow is sitting second to the right of person who likes red. So yellow is sitting second to right of red. Yellow is sitting second to the right of red. 1, 2. So here yellow. Okay, next, yellow is sitting second to the right of red. Next, C is sitting third to the left of F. C is sitting third to the left of F. No, F. 1, 2, 3. So here is the C. Okay, now with this we finished all letters. I mean this A vacant, and which letter is missing? A, B, C, D. D is missing. Okay, now coming to the colors, G and E is remaining, but we know that E doesn't like white, so here white will come. And what is the remaining color? Red, blue, yellow, pink, red, white, blue, green, orange. Okay, so E likes orange. Okay, So here is the complete diagram. This is simple diagram. When you follow each clue carefully, you can finish this puzzle in 2 minutes. Okay, if you are good at single practice, you can even draw the diagram in 1.5 minute. Okay, simple, because single direction and the clues are also very nice, not that much confusing. Okay, now we will solve the question. Next, who am I hope you are getting. Okay, single directions, take your based on convenience, write the diagram. If any clues are there, if you are confident, try to remember in your brain, otherwise try at right side of your corner or something. Okay, next, who among the following likes white? Who likes white? G, first option. Next, what is A's position with respect to B? A's position with respect to B, that is 1, 2, 3. Third to the right, if I take left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth to the left, third to the right, fifth to the left, third to the right, no fifth to the left option. Okay, I know it's very difficult for you to watch this small screen, but since I don't know how to the PPT and all, for now I don't have that much time to create PPT and all, so I'm trying my best to write everything on notes, because it's taking so much time to make these notes. Okay, searching models and practicing, and again, because if I have to say I'm not that much perfect, I will practice before all models, and I'm telling not to take that much time from you. I'm just solving one puzzle in one video. Okay, so that if you I don't want to waste your time. Okay, if you are good at, just at least you no need to watch entire video. If you are confident, at least just pause the question, then practice. Okay, just see that. If you are beginner, try to solve this in 3 to 4 minutes with accurate answer. If you are good at puzzles, try to solve in 2 minutes. Okay, you have to check that it is a practice question. Okay, now next, how many people are sitting between H and C when counted anti-clockwise direction of C? So H and C anti-clockwise, as I have already said in previous video. See, if it is, this is arrow. Okay, clockwise means in this way, towards right hand side. Anti-clockwise means towards left hand side, this side. Now they are asking how many people are sitting between H and C when counted from the anti-clockwise direction of C. See, now this is arrow. In this way, clockwise. Okay, see, if the direction anukunte, now this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Okay, ulta. Now this is so this is anti-clockwise. If I take this direction, means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 members are sitting from the left. If I take towards right, then it is clockwise. If I take here, anti-clockwise. Okay, I hope you are getting. So 4 people are sitting anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, next, 4 of the 5 pairs are alike in certain way based on the position in the above arrangement. So which of the following does not belong to group? Now see, B, black. Here is B, here is black. Okay, so diagonal. Okay, one is person and opposite color is the a person sitting opposite, exactly opposite. H and blue. H, blue. Okay, right. D, white. D, white, correct. G, yellow. G, yellow, correct. F, green. F, orange. See, this is the wrong one. F, orange should come, but here green is there. So this is the does not belong to group. Which of the following statements are false? Okay, mostly they will ask false and does not only. Next, C is immediate right of one who likes orange. So immediate right of orange is C. Where is orange? Orange, immediate right of orange is C, correct. The person who likes red is third to the person who likes blue. So red is third to the right of blue. Red is third to the right of blue. Blue is right means 1, 2, 3. Red, correct. The person who likes green is sitting exactly between who likes orange and yellow. So green is sitting exactly between orange and yellow. Green is sitting exactly between orange and blue, not orange and yellow, orange and blue. So this is the wrong answer, third option. Okay, I hope you are getting. If you want to check the other two options also. D neither likes pink nor orange. D neither likes pink or orange because D likes yellow. There are only, దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్, పింక్ ఆరెంజ్ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఎల్లో, డీ లైక్స్ ఎల్లో కాబట్టి. దెర్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 3 people బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ సి. ఏ అండ్ సి మధ్యలో 3 people. ఇఫ్ వీ టేక్ హియర్ ఆల్సో 3 people, హియర్ ఆల్సో 3 people. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రైట్. సో థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ బికాస్ దే ఆస్డ్ ఫాల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, so this is the fourth model. Okay, in next video I will try to find another model similar to preliminary level. Hope this video is useful for you. Practice mostly such type of questions. Okay, 3 variables definitely you will get to see in scale 1 preliminary level. Okay, direction, don't miss the circular sitting arrangements. Okay, with even 3-4 variables also, with good practice, circular arrangement is a scoring part. Even if puzzles, other puzzles will be difficult, square, even linear also sometimes, most of the people they will like linear arrangement because only one line will be there if you are RRB clerical level, or else PO means scale 1 2 lines will be there. But sometimes if they give single line, they will say we don't know how many persons are sitting, that if we get in one attempt you will get that answer, otherwise it's difficult, it will take so much time. You will get the answer but it will take lot of time, and in exam time with with having tension, it's difficult to attempt such type of questions when you don't know how many persons are sitting. They will just say number of people are sitting. If you take 2, this also they will give minimum 5 members, 5 sitting north and 5 sitting south. Okay, I'm saying scale 1 level. Okay, this will also take time. Okay, again they ask variables. See here, 10 persons, direction, and if they like something, you will get the answer but it will take time. So comparatively, again floor also, age based puzzles, CEO, position, that is also floor also easy. You will get to see minimum 8 floors. Okay, if they ask 3 variables, again you will get the answer but it will take time. So comparatively, my experience, circular arrangement is a scoring topic. Even if they give 3 variables also, you can solve in 2 to 2.5 minutes with good practice. Okay, so if you have tension, means if you are worried about puzzles, how to score in puzzles, try with the circular arrangements. Okay, hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time. Happy learning.